amazing. Every direction. Countryside, of sea. Hello, welcome back for week 3 of Keri's running vlog, and I can say it this week, woohoo! If you didn't see week 2, then just click up there and you can check back, see how I did last week. But one of the promises I made you was that I was going to take you somewhere beautiful, and I feel like I delivered. This is absolutely stunning. It's almost hard to believe that we're in the UK, that it is the middle of October, and I'm out here. I haven't even run yet and I'm already warm, so it's going to be a hot run, but I'm looking forward to it, and come and see the beautiful sights of me today. It is amazing. I better not forget my bag though. I need my sunnies on today. It is just so nice. Okay, so it's actually hard to choose because it's beautiful that way and it's beautiful that way. Right, because why not? Okay, let's go. Come with me. If you can comment below if I have inspired anybody at all to get out and go for one extra run, then let me know in the comments below. Even if you just thought about it and you've been thinking about it for a long time, then let me know. I'm actually going on the Southwest Coast Path today. Just so lucky to live really close to all these amazing places. Wow. When it's autumn and you know that it's not going to be quite as warm as this, definitely makes you make the most of it a bit more. One way that I know that I'm not overtraining is if I can still run and talk. If I'm getting over it out of breath, then I know for a long distance run I'm going to end up struggling later, especially at these early stages of the run. Road snacks. I'm having a great time. Woo! Slippery. Okay, recording downhill. That's a first! Baby mushroom. I am not as fit as I used to be. I actually don't think that's a very useful comparison, because we shouldn't compare ourselves to how we used to be or to anyone else, because this is my journey back to fitness. And the thing I should remind myself is that I managed to get out today and I am doing this. And even though this morning I was like, I can't run up the hills, I can't do it. That's kind of in my head. As soon as I see this kind of surrounding, it just makes me want to get back out, and it makes me want to be fit enough to get out here and enjoy this. I'm kind of half running, yeah. Come on, let's run, do it, you can do it. Okay, oh, good to know that I'm on a secular route again, because I'm going to see a whole load of different stuff on my way back. Oh, see now, yes. So at the moment, a little wobble there, a little panic about whether I could do it or not, and I think I'm about halfway up this hill, and actually the start was worse. Now I'm going. I'm enjoying it. One of the really great things about all of the national paths is that they're so well signposted that you don't need to be looking out the whole time about where you are, and you kind of know, if you roughly know what direction you're going, you can just keep on going. Actually, one of my next goals once was to complete all of the national trails. We've done but the South Downs Way, but the Cotswolds Way, and we've done about 3/4 of Offa's Dyke, which is the borderline that kind of runs up between Wales and England. One minute you're in Wales and you're in England, and the scenery is stunning, but we only got about 3/4 of the way. We're doing it as day trips and we just didn't get the chance to do that. I guess one of my promises here is that making it official, telling anyone that's listening, is that one day we will go back and we will complete that part, and hopefully all of the trails. We're doing the Southwest Coast Path in lots of different stages. We've walked some, we've ran some, but it is a total of 644 miles, so it's kind of a commitment. I'm sure you can see quite how steep that is, but look at that. Yes, yes, in my element. To the top. Woo. Can you see that? The sea actually looks like it's sparkling there. What an absolute treat. I have had an amazing morning, and I really hope that this can inspire you to get out and go for a run, because even if I just help one person get back into it, then it is worth giving someone this feeling, because I feel good. One little tip today I would say is it's really cool to make your run into an experience. So whether that's finding a beautiful place, whether that is stopping off, finding a cool cafe, getting a great almond milk latte, sitting on a rock and enjoying it, that works too. Maybe it's even going for a swim. I'm not sure. I've obviously still got to get back and I have no swimming stuff with me, so it would be a soggy run back, but also it looks beautiful and you only live once. What would you do? We'll see, we'll see. For now, I'm gonna sit here, enjoy my coffee, subscribe for more videos like this, click the like button so I know that you liked it, comment below, tell me whether you've been out for a run, whether you thought about going for a run, whether you've just enjoyed seeing me out for a run. Whatever it is, I love to hear from you. I want to know who I'm talking to, who's listening, who's watching. If you know of somebody that's thinking about it, that used to get into running, then share the video and see if we can get them out too. Cheers! You know what? I think I'm going in. It's kind of rude not to, isn't it? Yeah, I'm going in. It's going to be a soggy run back though, but I'll just have to go faster. Well, that was incredibly refreshing. I do feel good. I've got to run back now though, and I'm a bit soggy. I'm on my way back. I'm not even sure you'll be able to hear this because I think I've ruined my mic by taking my phone in the water, but anyway, that's just another reminder to get a new camera. Anyone got any recommendations of cameras they use to go out running? Some kind of GoPro, I'm guessing. It's my birthday soon, so there's a little treat for me. Tell Nick. So, Keri needs a GoPro. Anyway, I'm on my way back. The body feels a lot heavier after a stop, and the water was pretty freezing. Very refreshing, but cold. And it's just taking my breath away a bit. I think it's just starting up again. I'm sure the hill's big on their back. Maybe just lie here, take a few. Okay, I'm up. That was a 2-second sit down, but I'm going. All I can think about is how hungry I am. Probably should have planned to be out a bit longer. I have a bar in my bag, and I think I'm gonna have to give into it. It was gonna be my reward at the end, but I'm so hungry. This is my emergency bar I keep in my bag. I'd recommend always having an emergency snack because you never know when you might need to pick me up. And especially if you're anything like me, and once you do something, you actually get pretty carried away. This will get me to the end. That was not easy, but I've done it. Subscribe for more videos like these, click the bell so you get your notifications when they come on through. Keep me going, get other people out there, share with others that you think might enjoy it, and I will catch you next week. Comment below if you've got any ideas of somewhere you'd like to see. Tell me. See you soon.